Hello everyone. In this video we'll talk about bird flu. Bird flu is also known as H5N1, avian influenza. Strains of this influenza virus primarily infect birds and also infect humans. This type of flu is most often contracted by contact with sick birds. It can also be passed from person to person. When was the bird flu epidemic? The virus was first detected in 1996 in geese in China. Asian H5N1 was first detected in humans in 1997 during a poultry outbreak in Hong Kong and has since been detected in poultry and wild birds in more than 50 countries in Africa, Asia, Europe, and the Middle East. Is bird flu harmful to humans? Yes, it can be harmful for humans. More than a dozen types of bird flu have been identified, including the two strains that have most recently infected humans, H5N1 and H7N9. When bird flu attacks on humans, it can be deadly. So, what are the symptoms of bird flu? Symptoms begin within 2 to 8 days and can seem like cough, fever, sore throat, headache. What happens if we eat chicken with bird flu? Consuming properly cooked poultry or eggs from infected birds doesn't transmit the bird flu, but eggs should never be served runny. Meat is considered safe if it has been cooked to an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 73.9 degrees Celsius. So be aware while consuming any kind meat. Although there is only 630 cases of avian influenza have been reported by the World Health Organization, WHO, worldwide, with 375 deaths since June 2013. Now, what is the mortality rate of bird flu? Human cases of H5N1 avian influenza occur occasionally, but it is difficult to transmit the infection from person to person. When people do become infected, the mortality rate is about 60%. So, how is bird flu prevented? Things you can do to prevent bird flu. First, wash your hands often with warm water and soap, especially before and after handling food, in particular raw poultry. Second, use different utensils for cooked and raw meat. Make sure meat is cooked until steaming hot. Third, avoid contact with live birds and poultry. Thanks for watching.